What's up, family? Today we got another pair of sneakers for y'all, and this time it's a pair that's not so hyped. OG sneakerheads will appreciate. This one isn't even gonna sell out. I picked these up in a size 10. They come in the Jordan 5 and 6 box. A little weird, I'm not gonna lie. You got the GOAT authentication shit, so y'all know my early pair is authentic. Y'all be trying to roast people, but these are the Chambray Jordan 7s. It's a sneaker that not a lot of people appreciate, but for me, I love the Jordan 7 model. Actually, one of my favorites. So underrated. I don't have any 7s in my collection. I had the old version of the Cardinals, which I actually ended up selling. Glad I got these. I'm gonna pull them both out and we'll get into them in a second. Boom, Chambray 7s. I remember these releasing back in the day. I was a little ass kid, bro, and I remember 7s. My favorite pairs definitely have to be the Raptors, Olympics, sexy. Air 7s are I never was really the biggest fan of those. This pair right here is iconic. I'm super glad I got them in the collection. I actually paid near retail before the release, so y'all know these shits gonna brick. Bro, look at what the they stuffed it with. Here we got the kicks. These basically feature that baby blue UNC style color. They're calling it chambray, and the light graphite under it. What I really love about the 7s, on some of the colorways, it's really minimal. These right here, Raptors, they just have a little hit of color, and then you basically get an all black upper. It's a sneaker that you could beat up. It's almost like a boot style sneaker in a way. For the chambrays, I definitely would say don't buy them when they release. This is a sneaker that's more than likely gonna go on sale. You could probably find these for $150, $160 if you're a little bit patient about it. Now, I know I am a little bit impatient. Obviously, I wanted to get them early for the channel. Beautiful sneaker. The materials they used on these are pretty good, actually. They surprised me, bro. They kind of remind me of the Citrus 7s. On the outsole, you get that beautiful design. Probably one of my favorite outsoles from any Jordan. Little hits of chambray and white on there. On the upper, you get that chambray light graphite, as well as the chambray Jumpman. Sock liner on these is that same UNC chambray color. Tongue has that Jordan in that same light blue tone. If you guys didn't know, the back of Jordan 7s actually has a 7 on it. Let me know if you could see it. It's right here. It's low-key a 7, 2, 3 as well. Jumpman on these is in that chambray color light graphite pull tab. I don't understand why Jordan 7s are so slept on. It's a beautiful model. I honestly love these. I've never had a pair of 8s in my collection either, so that's something that I'm excited to pick up. Look at that brushability, bro. Shit is crazy. Not a lot of Jordans have this type of quality. I feel like with 7s, they're not the most hyped sneakers. So Jordan brand, they're like, yo, the least thing we could do is make the quality on these bitches good so that if somebody sees them at the mall, they'll pick them up type shit. In a little bit, I am going to lace these up and we are going to throw them on feet just to see what they're going to be looking like in case you guys are going to be interested in picking these up, or you're at the mall and you end up stumbling across this video. You know what they look like on feet. I decided to get these in a size 10. Normally for Jordan brand, I'm either a 10 or a 10.5. I don't really want too much room on these. I feel like if they're too big, they look like boats. What makes these tighter is the fact that this whole piece is a sock, if y'all don't know, for Jordan 7s. If I do end up messing with these, I'm probably gonna go back and get the trophy room 7s. Those shits are fire, bro. Like, that's a must cop for me. They're not even selling for much, and it was a collab. These shits is probably gonna brick, to be honest. But at the end of the day, in the sneaker game, you really should buy what you like, bro. Like, if you like some shit and it's a brick, buy your brick, bro. Build your brick house at the end of the day. Chambray 7s are set to release on July 15th, which is tomorrow when you're watching this video. They're gonna retail for $200. Don't know if it's worth it for $200, but for $160 when they go on sale, I definitely think this is a solid pickup. Let me know if this is a sneaker you've been waiting for since the OG release, or if it's a sneaker that you're just gonna pass up on. I honestly want to know how you guys feel in the comments. Let me know. Any other early sneaker you guys would like me to pick up, let me know down below. Early sneaker with the most likes will possibly be the next one that I end up getting. Lace these babies up. They're looking solid, bro, for the summer with some nice high socks, basketball shorts, some cargos. These definitely gonna be hitting. I love that baby blue hit on them. This is a cop. This is a cop for all my Jordan retro lovers, not just the 1s, 3s, 4s, 11, potato, yam, tomato, head ass. This is the one for y'all. I'm trying to tell you, bro. If you're trying to save some money, you could just wait. These are gonna brick. We know. I understand. Y'all don't gotta comment these are bricks because I already know. But they fire, bro. These shits go hard. I just threw them on feet after I laced them. I'm actually excited to have these in the collection. It's weird because like I said earlier, it's something a little different. So I'm a little different. Let me know what y'all saying in the comments. I think it's a banger. I'm gonna throw them on feet for y'all and then you make your final verdict. That way when you shopping at the mall, you feel me, you don't know what to buy, you could pull up on some Jordan 7s. Low-key, I heard Foot Locker be having hella retros in stock. If y'all want to see a little vlog, let me know as well. I could pull up to the mall and see what they got on the shelves still. But yeah, Jordan 7 Chambrays this Saturday the 15th. I believe retails $200. And if y'all enjoyed this early review, let me know by leaving a like down below. Also comment if this is a cop or a drop. Is it a brick or is it actually a sneaker you're interested in? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's definitely a cop. As y'all see, I got them early for a reason. Bunch of early sneakers on the way. We got another review coming soon as well, so make sure y'all sub up because this next one's gonna be a banger.
Like the NBA, you a ring, we shooting shots like the NORI. Yeah, all she jamming, Travis and Kid Cudi, the new crazy bone, the Slim Bumpy. Part of the days in and taking no days in. Don't need a vacation, I need a replacement. So the lights out, soon as we came in. What are you talking about? What is pretending?
After I threw these on feet, I actually realized that these do run a little bit tight because it does have that sock. It doesn't really bother me too much because I don't mind a sneaker being a little snug on me. The more I wear it, they'll kind of loosen up a little bit, so I'm not tripping. But if you are one that actually cares about them being loose on you, definitely go with that 10.5 because this sock is actually a little bit constricting on the foot. So that's just something to note if you are gonna buy these. You could literally pull up to the mall and try them on feet, choose your best size type shit, but that's just my recommendation based off trying them on feet a couple minutes ago. Have a great rest of your day. I love y'all. If you're watching this to the end, I appreciate you more than you would ever imagine. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whenever you watching. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.